Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. I'm opening the question bar. There we go. There it is. Okay. Oh, so we have again a negative mark for the day, and okay, I'm a little bit mixed up here. Okay, there we are. So it's still about because of the same thing, the war between the United States and China. So so far, so the market is still going down, but we have reached now a very, very important situation. I don't have much in the news, nothing that's worth talking even about. Maybe genomic medicine, GNMX, which is a very interesting stock that you find today when you do a scan on the winners on NASDAQ in percentage. It always comes the first because that's the biggest percentage, 75.28%. And the news about the stock is that they have concluded an agreement of license with AstraZeneca for one of their product called anti-IL-18. So, but for the moment, we are quite there already. You know, I don't know if we are gonna have some more potential on the stock, but it's still a nice stock, and that's how you find the most of those stock anyway. Look at Paratech Pharmaceutical too. It's been very nice today. A couple of small stock there, but you know that's not the market condition because on the market it's still 250 point down. We went down 555 point this morning. And the market started coming back when Donald Trump, that wanted to calm the situation down, said that the economy is going full blast in the States, and it's China that has lots of problem because he said China is losing thousands of companies. That's what he said. So, but in the meantime, the market is still going down. Look, USO this morning went down quite a few times, down at the opening, down when the inventory came out, and then we had a little pullback so far, but look, on the daily chart, the situation is not interesting at all. We have reached this very important support on USO, and the stock are still falling through the lowest of the year. So the lowest of the year is here in December for USO, but the stock have reached the low of the year and even passed it already. The only very positive sector we have right now is the gold. That started a few days ago, and because this movement started from this bottom here until the top. Easy to see when you look at it on the 15-minute chart. So it's been a long run already. Okay. So, most of the gold stocks were going out today, but today it's more a good place to take a first profit on your recent gold position, and not now the time to buy it after that much of increase. And all other sectors are still looking very bad. In some cases, the mining still has passed the low of the year. Also, Ivanhoe Mines has also joined the rest of the group, which is already bearish. Like First Quantum has reached its very important support here, and look at that, it's a 3-year support. So if it breaks through this support, it could go even further again. And look at Hudbay, which is also at the low of the last 3 years, and First Tech is quite there already too. So the situation is bad out there. So and the silver was interesting too today. It's been a big movement of a breakout today, and but there's no other sector that are really positive. They're either most of them are neutral anyway. And you look at the financial here in Toronto, that's the situation of the entire market. And I said so many times this morning already, but I am totally convinced of what the importance of this movement there, and also on the Dow. So if you look at that, there's still from the place we are right now 1,000 point possible on the downside, and also a 1,200 point possible on the upside. So it's going to be very important which direction the market takes after it ended this sideways movement. So so right now accumulating or buying more stock could be very negative for your situation if the market ever comes back down. Because if the market goes through these so important support, I mean, first of all, it would be a good place to short stock, and it's a place where you should diminish your stock. But when you just added some, it makes the situation very difficult to manage for everyone. HUV by 486 4-month. HUV. Okay, that's the bearish movement. Now sell all or the half. You paid 456. I would sell the half and then wait until what I said about the market. So we still have that sideways movement here too. So so sell half right now. But if the SPY breaks down there, your stock will continue going up. So you buy back. You sell if the market goes back up here. So if we go back to that and look at the chart here, so I would take your 456, and you see it 480 is the previous support. So it's still a higher support. So you have chances that it will continue. So I would take a profit right now and put a stop loss at either 480 or 490, depending of your risk tolerance there. And the PRTK still has some drive on the stock, so that's the two best we have today: GNMX and PRTK. Okay, so and the gold is we can see the gold is back to its top right now. There's still a little correction on it, but there's no reversal or whatever. So I don't think we should flush our gold stock. We should keep some, and but we should just take a profit for now. So in Toronto, there's not much happening also on the market. Everything is lazy unless it's only the gold sector that is bullish right now. All other sectors are either bearish or neutral, and some of them that were bearish now are becoming neutral. Sorry. Since today, because since yesterday it was still bearish, so the mining is still bearish, the energy is still bearish too, but most of the sector are totally sideways. Telecom, consumer staples, the materials I forgot, but materials goes up because of the gold. The technology is sideways. The utilities, consumer discretionary, and even healthcare, which is negative too, but it's still sideways, and also the industrial. So the market is right now on a pause. That's all, you know. And whenever it revives, that's the place which is going to be very important. So I think we should calm down for the next couple of days, or at least until we see this movement, because if you buy some stock there and the market goes there, you'll be totally wrong on the market. You will end up having new fresh position that goes down, and then you will also have the stock that you had already that will keep going down, and if the market breaks down, only your gold stocks are going to go up. Okay. So for the moment, I mean, we should pass on anything that's there on the market. The cannabis, even the gold, is a little bit too far. And if you buy some gold, don't buy too much and think at very short term, and don't buy anything that you don't have a support, very clear support to identify, so that would show you where you can exit, you know. And don't take a support, the previous support. You should take the nearest support. So this is it for the show now today, folks. Thank you very much for attending. We'll see you later.